Ready, steady, push. Slow now, easy, easy. Ready, steady, push. Slow now. Day 1, subject, 2011 Lamborghini Aventador. BN confirmed, matches documentation. Structural corrosion suspect. Latch mechanism seized. Replace. Metal loss greater than 50%. Needs sectioning. Structural compromise around filler neck. Hinge mounts corroded into body. Drilling required. Firewall integrity compromised. Major repair. It's like memory foam. Brake pedal pivot mount unsafe. Critical stress area cracked. Requires welding and reinforcement. Weld seam corroded from within. Structural. Inspection complete. The damage is extensive, but not terminal. Every failure point is now mapped. Disassembly begins tomorrow. Previous occupants didn't pay rent. The heart's still there, buried, but there. Not good. Metal shadings. And there goes the last spark of its old life.
Ready on your mark, Clara.
Almost got it. Bolt clear. Lifting, gently. It's free. Now, the real work begins on you.
Ready? Lower it slow. Easy now.
Marcus, see these stress marks near the rear wheel arch. The carbon is stressed from impact or corrosion pushing on it. We need to scan it to see how deep it goes. Solid. Solid. Good. Boundary is clean. This isn't just surface. We're going in deep. Core is exposed. Good. It's dry and intact. This backing ply is the foundation. It seals the core and gives us a base to build on. This isn't for strength, it's for final contour. The carbon underneath is already doing the heavy lifting. Now we let chemistry do its work. Full cure in 24 hours. Smooth as glass. No lips, no valleys. It's non-porous. It locks out moisture and gives the base coat something perfect to grip. The canvas is ready. Time for the masterpiece. Color is even, no streaks. Ready for code 2. This is where the magic happens. The pearl makes it pop in the sun. Perfect mill thickness, it'll cure like a rock. We're removing less than a human hair's width, just enough to flatten the surface. We're removing less than a human hair width, just enough to flatten the surface. Genuine NOS. Time capsules. Ooh. Static and dynamic balance. Zero vibration at any speed. The heartbeat button goes in last. It's only fitting. Now it has a soul again. This was more than a restoration. It was a conversation with history, a lesson in patience, and a fight for beauty against all odds. Power delivery is linear. Transmission is crisp, no hiccups.